Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are doing my top 10 tips for a clean home. So this isn't tips for a tidy home, this is specifically to keep your home nice and clean. If you want to see my tidy home tips, just let me know and I can definitely do that as well. Tip number 1 is to keep up with your kitchen grease. So we're talking grease on your cupboards, grease on your stove, anything kitchen grease related. Make sure that you keep it nice and clean. This can really do damage to your cupboards and your countertops and stuff if you're not keeping up with this, as well as dust and grime will just get stuck in that kitchen grease and make it so much harder to clean. So keep up on that grease and it'll look a lot nicer.
In war, there's never an option to run.
Tip number 2 is to do 1 load of laundry a day. So laundry actually smells really bad when it's just sitting there dirty. So if you're doing 1 load of laundry a day, you're kind of keeping those smells away and it just helps keep your home a lot cleaner. Tip number 3 is to keep up with your seasonal chores. So these include disinfecting your garbage cans, cleaning your baseboards, cleaning out your fridge, cleaning out your pantry, anything that counts as like a seasonal chore. Make sure you're not skipping those. Those can really add up and make your house very dirty very fast.
In war, there's never an option to run.
Tip number 4 is to not let mopping get skipped. I think most people that I talk to, they keep up with their tidying, so like their counters are clear, they might wipe down their counters, but they always seem to let mopping get skipped. So keep up with your floors and make sure that those are clean as well. Tip number 5 is to change your garbage daily. I don't have a clip of me changing my garbage, but obvious tip, keeps everything smelling nice.
What's on your mind, but I know that it's something about you and me.
Tip number 6 is to change all of your towels and sponges regularly. So bathroom towels, kitchen sponges. Tip number 7 is to clean your cleaning tools. So disinfecting your rags, your brushes, all that kind of stuff. So this is a clip of me doing my toilet brush. I spray it with hydrogen peroxide after every time I use it. Tip number 8 is to keep your house linens clean. So this can include rugs, blankets for the couch, your bed blankets, curtains, couch cushions, all that kind of stuff. So it doesn't really matter if your couch is vacuumed if your guests are sitting on your couch with a dirty blanket. So make sure that all of your house linens are nice and clean.
And you know I'll walk 1,000,000 miles for you. You said summer will be over soon. Would you still like to hang around? When the clouds roll in.
Tip number 9 is to keep your home dusted. So don't forget your bathrooms when you're doing this. The water mixed with the dust makes grime that's really hard to clean.
Without you,
My 10th and final tip for you is that a little work often prevents a lot of work sometimes. So if you wipe down your stove every time you use it, the grease is never going to build up. If you spray your toilet brush every time you use it, you're not going to have to set aside time to actually clean that toilet brush. Keep up on your tasks and your house will always be clean. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
bucket.